A very good morning to Total Sheeting, and today we are going to present our group assignment for Construction Technology 2, which is the assignment for the bungalow homestay. First of all, allow me to introduce my group member, which we have Muhammad Ismail Daniel Hafid bin Muhammad Jambi, the international student from China, which is Huang Zhenyang, me, Ko Yifan, and Ting Zhengyu. Now, I will present the introduction and our homestay design. So, our Munara Bungalow homestay is located at a peaceful forest stream and mixed greenwood and natural scenery. The location offers guests intimate exposure with nature, so it is an optimum option to flee the city. This bungalow homestay has 5 bedrooms, 1 gym, 1 karaoke rooms, 1 cinema rooms, 1 games room, 1 swimming pool, and 1 book bar, to ensure the guests can be relaxing with all the entertainment in the bungalow. This is the elevation view of our bungalow, which we can see from the south, east, west, and north. This is the floor plan view of our bungalow homestay, which we have the ground floor level, first floor level, and second floor level. Next, I will present the type of building component of our bungalow homestay. The type of roof that we use in our bungalow homestay is heat roof. The reason why we choose a heat roof is because the heat roof consists of 4 sloping sides that meet at a point on ridge, creating a solid and windproof structure. Its symmetry contributes to the building's beauty and makes it easier to drain water effectively as well as withstand harsh weather conditions. Next, the type of floor that we use to construct our bungalow homestay is concrete floor, but with different types of finishes, depending on the different area in the bungalow homestay. The table 2.3 shows the wall that we use to build our bungalow homestay. The wall that we use to build the bungalow homestay, including the basic wall and a curtain wall. The table 2.4 shows the window that we have used in our building, and all the windows that we use are protruding glass windows. We have 2 types of door that installed in our bungalow homestay, which is double panel door and single panel door, which depending on the different area that we use.
Now, I will explain the 3.0 method of construction and installation. 3.1 Brick wall with plaster finishes. The purpose of brick wall with plaster finishes is structural support, soundproofing, fireproofing, moisture resistant, and we use it in our living rooms, bedrooms, kitchen, and bathroom. The installation method of brick wall with plaster finishes is the first one is we should prepare mortar mix, and the ratio of cement and sand is 1:4. The second one is mark foundation, lay damp-proof membrane. The third one is lay bricks in structure bone pattern, and we should check the level or plumb. The fourth one is apply 3 plaster coats, and for example such as scratch to brown and finish coats. Next is glazed door. The benefits of glazed door is natural light and spacious view. We use it between the living room and the balcony, between the kitchen, the back door, bedrooms, kitchen, and the front door of the house. The installation method of glazed door is major doorway, secure frame with screws, and we can use the level. The second one is insert glass, clamp with rubber strip and C-edge. The third one is attach hinges and handle. The fourth one is test door smoothness and glass stability to avoid the door have problem. Next is 3.3 Side hung casement window. The function of side hung casement window is insulation and security. We use it in living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms. The installation method of side hung casement window, the first one is remove window sash and lock pin. The second one, position frame, adjust with seams. The third one, apply foam sealant, we install the sash. The fourth one is test opening and closing to prevent leaks. Now we are going to 3.4 heat roof. The purpose of heat roof is weather protection such as rain, wind, and heat. We use it in living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms. The first step of installation method is replace damaged sheeting. The second one is install underlayment, button up. The third one is add flashing, drench, and roof covering. The last one is post installation clean up with pressure washer, just like the picture behind it. Next one is 3.5 ceramic tile floor finishes. We use it in gym room, karaoke room, kitchen, and balcony. The installation method of ceramic tile floor finishes is level and subfloor repair and a climate tiles. The second one is LED tiles from center upward. Leave the expansion gaps. The third one is C joints and install the base box. The last one is follow manufacturer's care instructions. Just like the picture, you can clean it after finish. Now we are going to 3.6 built-in fitment. 3.6.1 toilet. The tools using to do the toilet is box ring, box roof, box, level, and more. The step 1 to do the toilet is prepare flange, position self-adjusting the booths, and secure with lock washers. The next one is seal installation. Place box ring on flange, ensure proper alignment. The third one is mouth toilet. Align with both holes, lower gently onto flange. The next one is secure fixture. Hand tighten the nuts. Alternate sides evenly. Cap both ends. The next one is connect plumbing. Attach water supply with 3X. Skip tablet, tap, rubber washers included. The last one is test and inspect. Fill tank completely and flush 6 times to check for leaks. Next one is 3.7 landscape or external wall. Now is 3.7.1 swimming pool. The tools using to do the swimming pool is box ring, board rope, box, level, and more. The first one is site preparation, obtain permits and documents, excavate and measure area, and lay geotextile and rubber base or concrete. The second one is pool placement. The position fiberglass pool shell and ensure the level installation. The third one is system installation. The install lights, pipes, skimmers, and jets. Add water while backfilling, such as gravel or concrete. The next one is finishing touches, tail perimeter and edge strips, and install the pool equipment such as filter or pump. The last one is safety compliance, such as install the fencing greater than 54 ledge height, and final inspection.
Next, I will show the detailed drawing of our bungalow homestay. So, this is the detailed drawing of our roof, which is a 333 mm insoluble concrete roof, consists of flat tiles, rigid insulation, asphalt, bitumen field, cement sand screed, and structural concrete layer, providing excellent thermal insulation and waterproofing performance. Next, this is the detailed drawing of 425 mm residential concrete floor, consists of a cement sand screed, structural concrete, damp-proofing layer, rigid installation, and crushed stone base, providing excellent structural strength and thermal insulation. And the last, this is the detailed drawing of the 264 mm basic wall, consists of common bricks, hollow insulation, a weapons barriers, concrete block, and James block, providing thermal insulation and structural support for residential construction.
So, we have material and specification. At this slide, we have 5.1, which is wall. We have family and type. We have brick wall, which material we use a brick mortar plaster, and their specification is about 150mm thick. And we have internal walls. Internal walls is just like we have material. We use a brick mortar, and the specification is about 150mm. And we have family and type, which is ceramic tile wall. Okay, next we have 5.2. This doors. We use 4 type of door. The first is double panel glass door. The material is glass, aluminum hardware, and the specification is about width about 1800mm and height about 2500mm. Then we have single panels, which is glass door 1, glass aluminum hardware 700mm, width and height 2100mm. Then we have single panel glass door 1, which is glass aluminum hardware, and it's about width about 800mm and height about 200mm. And the last one is single panel, which is single panel glass door, and the material is about glass aluminum hardware, 900mm of width, and the height is about 2100mm. Now we have about 5.3 is roof. We have 5 type of roof. First is basic roof with about steel joints, steel deck, EPDM membrane. The type of roof we use flat roof. The second one is basic roof, is suspended insulated roof, concrete. The type is suspended roof. the family and type. The next is basic roof. It was slated roof, concrete with type of is slot roof. Family and type is about basic roof, insulated roof. This is timber. The type is slot roof, and the last one is family and type is slope glazing, glass skylight. That is slope glazing. And we have a 5.4 is window. We have two type of window. It's a bay windows, double row, which is the material is about aluminium frame, tempered glass, rubber gasket, and sealant. And the last one is fixed windows, aluminium or UPVC frame, tempered glass, silicone, sealant is about under the material. Next we have 5.5 is floor. We have family and type. We have three type is concrete residential 425 millimeters. Okay, the area is about 910 meters squared, and the insulation layer is 417 meters squared. Okay. And then we have a moisture, which is moisture barrier is about 417 meters squared. We have 6.0 construction period and cost. The construction 6.1 is construction period. The construction of the Monaro Bungalow Homestay is expected to take around 7 months, 28 to 30 weeks. The schedule is based on things like the size of the bungalow, the type of building, the material chosen, and special features such as swimming pool, gym, and karaoke room. Here a quick overview of the different places of the boats. Okay, you can see the 1 until 10. That's what faces that how we construct the buildings. Okay, next we have 6.2 is about construction cost. The estimated total cost to build the homestay bungalow is around 915,000 ringgit. This covers everything: materials, labor, design work, installation, and even the external landscaping. Here the quick breakdown of the construction. Okay, you can see. Okay, we have from 1 to 10. It's about how we construct the money. Okay, this construction schedule is designed to be efficient while still maintaining quality work. We also included cost saving strategy to keep things affordable. To make sure everything is realistic, all costs will check against IDP, Malaysian construction cost data, and local contractor pricing. This way, we can be confident the plan is practical and achievable.
This is our appendix, and this is our list of responsibility. You can say it. And that's all for our presentation, and thank you.
Okay, now I will present our bungalow homestay in the Revit. Okay, first of all, you can see that our bungalow homestay is located at the forest, so there have been some grasses and trees. And the reason why you see the floor that we make higher than the ground is because in the forest didn't have a good drainage system, and we scared that the flood will affect the bungalow, so that we make the ground become higher. Okay, next we have a look at the ground floor level. Okay, you can see in the ground floor level we have the hall after we go in from the door, and we have a public bathroom, a gym, a laundry room, and a karaoke room. Let's see at the 3D view. Okay, this is a 3D view, and just like I mentioned just now, this is the hall, there's a bathroom, there's a karaoke room, and there's a gym in here and a laundry room. Okay, at the outside here, we have a swimming pool in here. Okay, now let's move on to the first floor level. We have 3 bedrooms. This is the bedroom 1, and the bedroom 2, and the bedroom 3. And we have also 2 bathrooms in here, and 1 gaming room with which the guests can play the pool in here. And this is the stair that come out from the ground floor level. And this is the hall for the first floor level. Okay, let's move on to the second floor level. Okay, this is how the second floor level looks like. This is just like I mentioned just now, the bedroom 4, the bedroom 5, the balcony here, which have the almirah, and this is the cinema room, and this is the book bar and here, and we also have chilling places in here, right, to guests to read a book, because you can see the book bar is too small, then they can only take the books from here. After that, they can come here to read the book. And that's all for our presentation. Thanks for watching.